Welcome to the Alutech tutorial for programming your Zip Tex Smart Remote. Let's review the button layout. On the front, you have up, stop, down, and the channel select buttons. Note that the channel select buttons are only available on the 15-channel transmitters. On the back, remove the cover to find the P2 button. Note that the side buttons are not used for this programming. Step 1. Add pair remote. First, you will need to provide power to your motor. The motor will jog once and long beep. Within 7 seconds, press the P2 button on the back of the remote. The motor will jog and beep once. Finally, you will press and hold the stop button until the motor jogs twice and beeps 3 times. Your remote has been successfully programmed to your motor. Step 2. Check direction. To change the direction of your motor, simply press and hold up and down until the motor jogs once. Step 3. Setting limits manually. To set your upper limit, press and hold up for 2 seconds. Then, press up to move your motor to its new desired upper limit, then press stop. Finally, press and hold up and stop simultaneously until the motor jogs twice and beeps 3 times. Your upper limit is now set. To set your lower limit, press and hold down for 2 seconds, then press down again and press stop once your motor is at the desired lower limit. Finally, press and hold the down and stop buttons simultaneously until the motor jogs twice and beeps 3 times. Your lower limit is now set. Basic programming is now complete. The next section of the video covers additional programming procedures. These are not required for basic programming. Adjusting limits if needed. When adjusting your upper limit, start by running the motor to its current upper limit. Next, press and hold up and stop until the motor jogs once and long beeps. Then, using the up and down buttons, move your motor to the new desired upper limit. Press and hold up and stop simultaneously until the motor jogs twice and beeps 3 times. Your upper limit has been adjusted. When adjusting your lower limit, start by running the motor to its current lower limit. Next, press and hold down and stop until the motor jogs once and long beeps. Then, using the up and down buttons, move your motor to the new desired upper limit. Press and hold down and stop simultaneously until the motor jogs twice and beeps 3 times. Your lower limit has been adjusted. You can now test your new limits. Jumping cloning remotes. On the back of your existing remote, press P2. The motor will jog and beep once. Press P2 again. The motor will jog and beep again. Then, on the new remote, press P2, and your new remote has been successfully paired. Delete limits remotes. When deleting limits, press P2. The motor will jog and beep once. Next, press down, and the motor will jog and beep once. Press P2 once more and your motor will jog twice and beep 3 times. The limits have now been deleted. To delete your remote, press P2 on the back of the remote. Next, press stop and your motor will jog and beep once. Press P2 once more, and your motor will jog twice and beep 3 times. The remote has now been deleted. Turning off obstacle detection. Motors will automatically stop and retract when an object is detected in its path, which prevents backrolling in the box and jams. To turn off obstacle detection, press P2 on the back of the remote. The motor will jog once. Press down. The motor will jog and beep once. Press down one more time. The motor will jog once and long beep. Obstacle detection has been disabled. To enable obstacle detection, start by pressing P2. Next, press down. Finally, press down one more time and the motor will jog twice and beep 3 times. Obstacle detection is now enabled. Mode switch, if needed. Start by pressing down to bring the motor to its bottom limit. Next, press the P2 button and the motor will jog once with a long beep. Press the up button and the motor will jog and beep once. Then, after pressing up once more, the motor will jog twice and beep 3 times, confirming the motor is now in mode 2. To switch the motor back to mode 1, start by pressing the P2 button. The motor will jog and beep once. Press up and the motor will jog and beep once. Press up once more and the motor will jog once and long beep. The motor has been successfully returned to mode 1. For further assistance, please utilize the contact information provided on screen.